Suwannee, Florida sits where the Suwannee River dumps into the Gulf, and I almost never fish this place. But I had an opportunity to fish with an old buddy, Captain Robbie, and we got into some shallow water trout. The bite was on for a while, and then it sort of died off. And then, well, this happened. Look at this snook. It's going.
They still like any.
This was my personal best snook, and I caught it on a topwater lure. And right about now, I was pretty disappointed that I didn't set up to record all this with my GoPros.
Yeah. Unreal.
Freaking real. Alright, that's amazing.
Catch it in a lifetime.
Oh, there we go.
Woo! Watch out for the hooks now.
Yeah.
Look at there.
Look at that. And if you watch this channel, you might remember that I made this lure. I chrome plated it, painted it up, and gave it a really nice finish. And now it's given me one of my best fish ever.
We're fixing to weigh him in a minute. I mean,
Oh boy.
see how much he,
What a beast.
how long he is.
I went after it twice.
Good thing Captain Rob put you on this joker.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, 31 and a half. Woo! That is an absolute beast. And then it was Captain Robbie's turn for a big pig of a fish. Something with some weight. Bring him in.
Bring it in, I can't turn it.
Don't let him steal all your Power Pro, man. That's expensive stuff. There it is. There's a swirl right there.
He's taking it.
His tire is about out.
Not mine. Look at them all.
Wow. You sure the black drum?
Yeah, because he ain't come to the top yet.
Oh, that looks like
Oh,
a.
that looks like
That's a red, dude. That's a monster red. Could be the day of the big giant fish.
Oh.
Woo! I can't believe it. Like 2 feet of water, man.
He's red like a redfish.
Yep. Don't horse him. Don't horse him.
I'm not.
I just want to be part of the fishing, man.
All right.
Oh man, he's gonna be a while. Oh, now he's mad. Now he's mad.
Well, I'm happy as hell.
Wow, that thing's monster. That's a huge redfish, bro. You're gonna have to go around the. Oh, this, yeah. Good job. Good job.
So I got my drag over it.
No, I wouldn't. Let him get tired. But definitely get some ground on him. Bring him close.
Still got one on the hook.
Oh yeah. Just wait till he sees the boat. Wait till he sees the boat.
He'll run like hell.
He's getting closer. He's gonna run. There he is. Oh, that's a red. Oh, or a black drum. Black drum. Ah, still is a 30-pound fish. Oh, that's a beast. God, that thing weighs 30 pounds if it weighs an ounce. Woo! And what'd you catch him on, that little tiny grub? Look at that thing, that little tiny shark, what'd you say? Chartreuse paddle tail? Yeah, you were talking about that. Look at that thing, man. Woo! Pick it up. Take a break. Rest. Dude, if we keep catching them and celebrating with beer, we're going to be drunk before we're done.
What a good drunk.
Well, the rest of the day didn't match this. It was all small reds, small trout, and catfish. So we packed it up. And I just want to say thank you to Captain Robbie for another great trip. And thanks to everybody out there watching. I'll see you on the next video.